Hello everyone! Today we'll be doing something very special. What do you think it is? We'll be learning about the importance of the tropical rainforest. The rainforest is very important in our lives. Some of the medicines that you drink, some of the conditioners that you use in your hair, some of the skin products, some of the things you drink and the juices, the chocolate. Where does it all come from? The rainforest. Yes, my friends, the chocolate comes from the rainforest. Importance of the tropical rainforest. It provides homes for humans and wildlife, like animals, birds, plants. Home for wildlife provides a medicine. Yes. For example, let's see, a medicine from a tree. You don't know where the fruit came from, but it could come from the rainforest. 65% of the medicines that we take and the pills and the aids and so we take are from the rainforest. A fun fact. It conserves water. It keeps it nice and moist. The rainforest conserves soil. Keep it nice and moist. That's why there's so many tall trees. And they call it a rainforest. Get it? It rains a lot there, so they call it a rainforest. It reduces the air pollution around us. You see, the factories that produces smoke, the cars, the things that actually do that, it reduces it. It's not really common in the rainforest because of all the trees, carbon dioxide, and the oxygen there. Provides recreation. Examples: sightseeing, tourists. This is my favorite one. Zip lines. Woo! Like in the Amazon rainforest, it has a zip line. Woohoo! In my sister island, Sigit. Hi! They have zip lines in the rainforest. Here in Nevis has a rainforest also. A rainforest covers all over the earth. It covers about a good percentage around the earth. It provides timber for building houses and furniture. So, some of the stuff, your table, your chair, your door, some walls, cupboards, shelves. Can you think of a thing that's made out of timber, wood, a house that's made out of wood, or furniture that's wood? Put your examples down in the comments section below. Go ahead, you can do it. It's all free. It provides employment. Example: tour guides, forest rangers, lumberjacks. And it reduces noise pollution. That's a thing. Noise all over the place. Loud beeps. If you live in New York, oh man, that place is filled with noise pollution. That's a main pollution that happened in New York. Those loud taxis going beep beep. Big loud music playing. Ah yeah 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 yeah. Big billboards that talk loud. Ah yeah 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 yeah. And all that, it needs to stop. But But the rainforest produces noise pollution. It's a very good thing. It's a very good thing. This happens. Now we'll start talking about renewable and non-renewable. There's lots of renewable stuff in the rainforest because they get renewed. Get it? I know my jokes are bad. Non-renewable. This is mostly found in big cities and towns and not really villages. But maybe in your village, if you live in one, don't know. Let me tell you, you might be wondering, what is a renewable resource? A renewable resource is a resource that can be renewed naturally. Examples: plants, wood, sun, water, wind, etc. Oh, and this apple, renewable. Natural stuff. They can be renewed. Non-renewable. Dun dun dun. Stop the dramatic music up there, please. Non-renewable resources are resources that can't be replaced. You hear it, can't. By growth or by human action. Once they're used up, like coal, petroleum, gas. Yeah, I say gas. Oil, which is gasoline or oil. Charcoal. And those stuff. You can list some renewable and non-renewable resources in the comment section below. And stay happy. Do 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 do. Oh, what does a rainforest do for us? It gives us healthy air, healthy water, healthy habitat, a healthy food and medicine. I have a little assignment for you to do for me. You could go to our website, Melody, www.melody.com, and you could see a picture of me, and you'll see your assignment. If you aren't able, I could just tell you assignment, you could do it, and you could take a picture and send it in the comment section below. Find the meanings for renewable, non-renewable, their meaning of non-renewable and renewable, conserve, preserve, and you know, there is a lot of flora and fauna in the rainforest. And a rainforest is a type of ecosystem. You heard me, an ecosystem. So I'm gonna say some flora and fauna. First of all, what is flora? Flora is a plant life in a region. So what do you think fauna is? You got it. You got it. Fauna is the animal life in a region. See the differences? Plant and animals. That's what fauna means. So, trees. What do you think that is? Flora or fauna? If you say flora, you are definitely right. Plants are flora. Animals are fauna. So I'll just name a few flora and fauna that I know. Trees, shrubs, vines, climbers, same as vines, herbs. trees are coconut tree, breadfruit tree, mango tree, guinea tree. Shrubs: rose shrub or bush, lemon bush or shrub, orange bush or shrub, peach bush or shrub. Shrubs shrubs are small plants that are small plants like bushes. So example of them are roses, lemon, oranges, and peaches. Vine or climbers. Example of vines and climbers are watermelon, strawberry, passion fruit, and grapes, and pumpkin too. Yum yum. Herbs: thyme, mint, rosemary. Hey, that's my friend. She's a plant. No, she's not. That's what she named her because she's very mint. She's very sweet. And now we could do categories of fauna. So there's mammals. These are not all. I'm just naming a few. Mammals, reptiles, amphibians, fish, insects. Mammals, humans. That's so surprising. Mammals are warm-blooded, and we're warm-blooded. That's right. Most of the time, we're warm. So, human, bat, monkey, donkey, dogs, your cat. Lots of mammals. There's reptiles. Reptiles, they have scaly skin. They have scaly skin. Like frogs, crocodiles, and lizards. Amphibians. Ooh. Amphibians are... can you say it? Cold-blooded creatures. You're right. Frogs, toads, and newts are examples of amphibians. Fish. I know tons of fish. I know catfish, snappers, dolphins, clownfish, angelfish, doctorfish. Oh, I'm going with chart. There are tons of fishes in the sea. And don't forget the flounder fish. Flounder! Under the sea. Under the sea. Birds. Pigeon and doves are examples of birds. Insects are ants, spiders, and mosquitoes. Thanks for watching Melody. Bye!